it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're coming back to me, thank you. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole, and my videos are all about self-improvement, self-development in all areas of life. Appearance like makeup, hair, fashion, etc., etc. Today, we're doing makeup. I don't know anything about makeup, but I've been watching YouTube and I have a list compiled of all my favorite tips. And it's serious when you bring out the notebook, but I think we're just gonna get started. The first tip I've learned is to clean and moisturize, which I've already done. I usually stop right there because I feel so fresh and clean, I don't want to mess it up with makeup that I'm going to have to wash off. But today, we're going to keep going. Starting off with primer, this is ELF or ELF, one of those. Eyes, lips, face, that's what it stands for. You guys, I don't have anything that is name brand. I just went in the store. I don't know brands. I just went in the store and I just picked the products that I needed. If it was primer, I got primer. And if it was mascara, I got mascara. I don't know the brands. No brands, so you're not gonna wanna copy me. So there's primer. Okay, what does it say next? Let's see, BB cream. I don't want to use foundation, I think, so I'm gonna use a Tinted Moisturizer. And there, I have that Garnier Skin Active Moisturizer. I just picked it up. Just picked it up. Okay, so I'm gonna put that here, here, here. And there and there. Boop, boop, boop. I guess a little on the neck to match. Right? Seems like enough. That seems like enough. Okay, that's enough. All right, and then blend it in. Beauty blender. Did you know these are supposed to be wet? I didn't know that. I just learned that a few days ago in one of the videos I was watching. Whenever I tried to put on makeup, I used a dry beauty blender. I didn't know. This is my first wet one. We're gonna see what it does. Tap, tap, tap. That's the next tip. Don't mush it in. We are tapping. Tappy, tappy. Oh, get the neck. Am I doing this right? I have a mirror. I think that's good. Oh, I don't see any splotches anymore, so I'm gonna stop. Do I look better? Okay, what's next? Got some on my notebook. Okay, concealer. Candid from Revlon. Okay. Boop, boop, under the eyes. This is how they do it on the YouTube. It seems like a lot to me, but I noticed bags in one of my pictures. So I'm just gonna get it all in there. I think maybe, do I need some there? It's dark there. I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. Right? Conceal dark spots. Okay. Blender. Right? Yeah. Blend with blender. Okay. Blend, blend, blend. Blending. Doing this right. Uh-oh. What am I? Oh, Here, mirror. Oh, maybe I'll go this way. Come on. Tap. Am I doing this right? You guys, let me know what I'm doing wrong. If I'm doing something wrong, comment down below. You can't hurt my feelings. Oh. You know what? I feel like an alien that was placed on this planet as a baby. And my job is to live here to learn what it's like to be human. And then when I'm done, I'm supposed to go back and tell the others. That's why I don't know anything. I'm trying to be human. I'm trying to fit in. And this is what this channel's about. Leveling up, improving, being human. What's next? Powder. I got powder. It's air spun. Got it at Walmart. Seems like a lot. But they put a lot on in the videos, so I'm gonna do it. I think there's, yeah, it goes here, like that. It always looks worse before it gets better. So I'm just gonna go with it and continue on. And then I'm gonna brush it out. Brush, brush, brush. Come here, mirror. Just keep going. Just keep going. Okay. I don't know. Okay, powder. Eyebrows. Eyebrows. Eyebrows is my problem. Do I have a spoolie? Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Found my spoolie. So I'm gonna spoolie my eyebrows. Like, people draw their eyebrows in, but I don't get how you make the drawn part look like hair. I'm afraid someone will get up close to me and see that I've colored in my eyebrows. Gonna do it anyway. I don't know what this is or why I bought it. It's ELF. I'm sure it has something to do with my eyes. It just says espresso. I don't remember, but I'm gonna use it. Am I supposed to wet it? I'm gonna use it on my eyebrows to color them in. I'm gonna start here. Oh, that's dark. And then, oh, I'm gonna end here. Ah, that is dark. Okay, spoolie, where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay, and then I'm gonna brush it and maybe it'll, oh yeah, that's better. I think that's better. Brush it and then, does it look better than the other one? It looks so dark. Maybe that's just me. It's just supposed to, I just look different to me and it looks weird at first. I'm just gonna keep going because it may look better in the end. Okay. Oh, it's on the other side. Okay. I don't know if I'm doing this right. It doesn't even say what it is. I bought it for some reason. Okay. Okay, next one. Not too dark. So I'm gonna start in the middle. And there. Okay, Don't overdo it. I'm a beginner. Does it look better? It's like caterpillars. Does it look better? It's like caterpillars. But I've seen that. It's a look. Just keep going. What's next? Okay. Eyebrow gel. I don't have eyebrow gel, but I've got some clear mascara. You think that'll do? I'm sure it's fine. I bet it's made of the same stuff. So just to keep it in place, gonna brush, and I'll keep it all in place. Alien Nicole. Oh. Okay, keep going. After that, bronzer on cheeks and temple. I've got a bronzer. I think this is a good one though. This one's called Hula. My daughter number 1 and daughter number 3 are makeup people and they buy good makeup. So I just pulled this out of the bathroom. I think this is a good one. So probably has a lot of pigment. So I'm just gonna do it lightly. And then I'm gonna, here, it goes here. Right there. And then temple, like so. Let me think. I feel like you can't see it. But too much, it's gonna be too dark. Below it, and then do 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 do. Dun dun, not too much. I'm gonna leave it alone. Next, highlight cheekbones. Oh, I have 2 highlighters. One is ELF again, a stick, and this one is Hard Candy in rose gold. I'm gonna use the easy one, stick. And I think it goes here. Oh, here. Boom, boom. I don't want to highlight that wrinkle. This is probably good. Less is more. Right? Back to the brush. I mean the blender. Oh, yeah, I think it's working. Someone should have told me to wet this. Okay. Tap. I think it's working. Tap, tap, tap. You guys, am I doing this right? Okay. Next says lip gloss. Am I almost done? Oh, this is pink. This is pink. I'm gonna do that. That's pink. Just gonna go with it. Mascara. What is this? Full Lash from CoverGirl. But don't follow me. Don't buy what I'm buying. Because I don't know what I'm doing. but I'm learning. And if you're anything like me, if you're an alien too, like me, you can come and learn with me week after week. We are going to be hot mamas, and no one's going to even know that we don't belong here. Okay, I'm not going to do the bottom because I'm going to rub my eyes and get it everywhere. Okay. Okay, I think I'm done. Okay, I'm going to take out my hair. I'm going to have to work this out before it's time to go back to my mother planet. I don't know, I think this is the finished look. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Do I look different? So, like me if you like me, and tap on that subscribe button so that we never miss each other. We're going places, ladies. Oh, and you too, mister in the back. I feel your presence. Until next time, mwah.